Okay, the next one, final question. The figure in the map shows some islands and how they are connected by bridges. A postman has to visit each island exactly once. He starts on the island marked start and would like to finish on the island marked finish. He just has to reach the black route in the center of the map. In which direction should he move to able to complete his route? Okay, so let's say we start from here. We could do this, right? Let's look at other options. We could also do, this. Oh, but it doesn't go through the middle of the map, right? So we could do this, but then we need to complete all our points, right? We need to be on all the islands. So we can look at different options of what is available. Let's do oh, we're so close. Okay, this won't be possible. Let's look at more options. Let's say we go straight, this, reach the map. No, that won't be possible. But what if we do this? No, that won't work either. So when you play around with different options, you'll realize that eventually what will work is this. So we go up, we go over here, this. I'll do that. This kind of like a snake pattern, and we'll reach our finish point. So from the start, if you're trying to go to a direction that would lead us to the finish point of this route, like from the middle point over here, is if it goes east, right? So by going east, they'll finish the route. Okay, thank you guys for listening. I hope this video helped.